Hello, Jeremy Strong here once again with Cabinets Extraordinaire and Cabex Construction. Here in another beautiful project that we've recently completed for a private client here in Sarasota, Florida. Notice throughout the kitchen, we did a simple design here utilizing two colors inside this kitchen. We've got the hand-painted, hand-glazed cabinets above, the natural walnut with a new finish through this manufacturer called the Velvet Series finish. It is a remarkable finish. It's a top coat that actually feels very subtle and soft. It does not feel like wood, unlike most top coats that you have on wood. You also notice inside here the natural beauty of the granite that we used. We did not use a lower level granite in this unit here, but more of an exotic level granite called Istanbul. That coupled with the glass backsplash and stainless steel appliances, I think gave this kitchen a lot of unique characteristics. We wanted to keep some consistency between the kitchen, the beverage center, and the bar area. We didn't want it to look like we were trying to overdo or over-design the space, so we wanted to keep the finishes the same to keep the consistency throughout the living space of the home. In this kitchen, we used some subtle pieces like the hardware to give a touch of modern while still going with the older look of the oiled bronze for the lights to try to tie both worlds together. This project was a great success, exactly what the client was looking for. I can't wait to show you our next project.